Family, I got something on my heart this Sunday and I want to talk to you about. No, I am not a preacher. No, I am not a Christian, but I am a spiritual man. I believe I am a child of God. And I have read the Bible from the beginning to the end, from the end to the beginning. And a lot of people who say that they are Christians and they can confess to follow, they don't live by the principles. And there's a lot of valuable principles in the Bible. So, I have read it and I understand the concept of it. And one thing that Jesus made it clear, if you go back to his scriptures, he was talking about how once he woke up into his purpose, he wouldn't allow his family or outside sources to control him and keep him from doing what God had for him to do. At first, they was trying to control him because that's what family do. That's what friends do. When you have a big calling and when there's something on your life, they can't see it because they know you and they want to control you. Oh, no. You the carpenter's son. Surely you don't have a message like this. Oh, no. You was born over here. Surely you not doing this. But it's stated though, for a specific reason, that once he turned about 33 and a half, it said that he told them that I'm about my father's business. He left. He wouldn't listen to nothing his father had to say, earthly father, nothing his earthly mother had to say, because everything that they were saying was going to limit him from being who he had to be. And later, once they started seeing who he had to be, they started coming around more. But at first, they was trying to constrict him. His mother was worried about, I don't want you in this crowd. Oh, you need to be over here. But see, when a person don't understand your purpose, the first thing they're going to do is try to put restraints on you. But there's an age in your life. There's a time in your life we all wake up. And everybody wake up at different ages. But it's a time in your life you're going to wake up to your calling. And you're going to have to push everybody to the side that don't have nothing to do with it. And 9 times out of 10 is going to be family members and friends and people who know you. But that's the only way you're going to be able to grow, fam. Hold on.